On this video today, I'm going to show you work from home jobs that you can apply and then work from home as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. So make sure you watch till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first website is teespring.com. On this website, you are going to be paid to reply to messages. You can see right here, become a chat operator. So once you apply, you are going to become a chat operator. Anytime you reply a message, you are going to be paid. You can see right here, you can earn up to $300 per week. You can see it right here. The requirement is that you must be at least 18 years old, and you can see you must be fluent in English. You have to be able to communicate in English so that you can be accepted on this platform. You also need a laptop so that you can be accepted. You have to have a reliable internet connection. You can see right here, you don't need any experience. You are going to be working at a freelancer, so you have the freedom to work at the time that you want. When you come right here, you can see this is the job description. As a text chat operator, you will be answering casual messages on a fantasy-based text network. You have to be able to talk to customers about all kinds of topics. You are going to be assigned to different roles depending on what your customers want. So whatever the customer wants, that is what you are going to be doing. You can see right here, some of our clients just want to talk to someone about everyday life, small talk about things like work, culture, weather, relationships. Your identity will not be known by customers because you will be assumed to be the person the customer is texting to. So they are not going to show your identity. Everything about you is going to be protected. Apart from that, you can see right here, you can earn up to $300 to $400 a week. This is the amount that you are going to be earning per week. The best part is that they pay weekly. You can see it right here. You decide your weekly paycheck should look like. So if you are able to work hard, you can earn a lot of money per week. When you come right here, you can see you can choose to work full-time, you can choose to work part-time. So it depends on your own schedule. If you want to work on full-time basis or part-time basis, you can choose that on this platform. If you are interested in the job, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, apply now, so that you can apply. Once you click on apply now, you are going to fill your first name, your last name, email address, and you are going to tell them what is motivating you to apply for the job. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, I agree to the terms and conditions for applying and the privacy policy. Once you click on that, you are going to select right here, I am at least 18 years old. Once that is done, you are going to apply for the job. Once you apply, they are going to review your application and then accept you onto the platform so that you can be making money. You can see right here, no qualification necessary. So you don't need to have any degree, you don't need to have any certificate, you don't need any college or high school degree before you are accepted onto the platform. What you need is that you have to be fluent in English so that you can be able to communicate with the customers. You can see right here, work anytime, anywhere, and as much as you want. So wherever you are in the world, you can join this particular website and you are going to be working from your location. Once you work, you are going to be paid. Apart from texting factory, you can also come on this website, Emmodeltest.com. On this website, they pay you per every text message that you send. You can see it right here. You are going to be earning up to 24 euro cents per message. So anytime you send a message, you are going to be earning 24 euro cents per message. You can see it right here. You can see right here, you choose your own hours. So the time that you are available, that is the time that you are going to choose so that you can be working on this website. You can see right here, competitive salary, so their pay is attractive. You can see the pay weekly. You are going to be receiving your payment every week. You don't have to wait for a month, you don't have to wait for 2 months, you don't have to wait for 2 weeks. You are going to be paid every week. You can see it right here. Apart from that, you can see right here, you can work from wherever you are in the world. Work from wherever you want, either at home or on a Caribbean beach. All you need is your computer and an internet connection. So wherever you are, if there is an internet connection, you can be working on this website. You can see right here, the amount that you earn is not fixed. The more messages you write, the more you earn. You can see it right here. So if you are able to write many messages, you are going to be earning more. You can see right here, this is the average earning per week, 350 pounds. If you are able to work hard, you can be earning a lot of money on this website. Apart from the money that you are going to earn, this particular website, they are going to also train you So you are going to acquire skills in addition to the work that you are going to be doing. So once you acquire the skills, it is for you. You can apply it elsewhere and then earn money. As you can see right here, they are providing more details about the website. How does it work? You can see right here, are you looking to work from home either full or for some additional income? Do you have a good imagination? Are you a creative or open-minded person? Working as a moderator could be exactly what you are looking for. We can help you become a moderator where your job will be replying to messages. You can choose your working hours. Our company is always looking for new people for various projects. Working with us, career opportunities are endless. So if you work with them, you are going to acquire experience, you are going to acquire some knowledge that you have never had. So once you get those experience and skills, you can apply them on different websites and you are going to be earning money. You can see right here, their system is very user friendly. If you join the website, you can be able to work as a newcomer. So what you have to do is that you have to apply no matter your skills level. You can see right here, their payment is weekly. So once you earn money on the website, you are going to be paid every week. You can see right here, we are a trustworthy company. We work with most payment methods. So they have a lot of different payment methods that you can use to receive your money. So what you have to do is that you have to apply so that you can be working on this website. To apply, you are going to click right here, press to apply. Once you click on that, you can see the role of a chat moderator is to engage in text-based chat on adult social networks. So this is what is expected of you. If you are willing to do that, you are going to enter your name, enter your email address, your age. You are going to enter your nationality right here. When you click on it, you can see it is available worldwide. You can see all the countries, you can see everything. So wherever you are in the world, you can apply and you are going to be working on this particular website. Once you have chosen your nationality, you are going to select your country of residence. So just click on it and then select where you are currently residing. You can see a lot of different countries. Once you select that, you are going to select right here, select the country where you want to apply. So click on it and then select the country where you want to apply. Once that is done, you are going to enter your Skype ID right here. Once that is done, you are going to enter your time right here. So they want to know the time that you are available. So if you are available during daytime, you are going to select that. If it is night, you are going to select that. Both, you are going to select that. Once that is done, you are going to write your work experience here. Just write your work experience right here so that they can get to know you better. Once that is done, you are going to click on next so that you can continue with the rest of the applications. Once that is done, they are going to review your application within 48 hours and they are going to reply back to you so that you can begin working on this particular website. Apart from this website, if you have expertise in any topic or any subject, you can come on this website, justanswer.com. On this website, you are going to be answering questions based on your area of expertise. If you are a doctor, you are going to be answering questions based on health. You can see a whole lot of different subjects. So whatever that you have knowledge about, you are going to select that and apply so that you can be answering questions. Once you answer the questions, you are going to be paid. You can see on this website, you can earn up to $2,000 to $700 a month. So if you're a professional, you can just sign up on this website so that you can be answering questions based on the subject that you know. Once you answer the questions, you are going to be earning money. So what you have to do is that you have to enter your details right here so that you can apply for a free account. So you are going to enter your first name, enter your last name, enter your email address. Once that is done, you are going to enter your phone number right here. So just select your country. You can see it is available worldwide. You can see wherever you are in the world, you can join the website. Once you enter your phone number, the next step is that you are going to select the category which you have knowledge about. If you have knowledge about appliance and home improvement, you are going to select that. Cars, boats, appraisals, computer, you can see consumer electronics, engineering, finance, whatever that you have knowledge about, you are going to select that so that you can be answering questions based on the subject that you have knowledge about. Once you select the category, you are going to click right here next so that you can apply to work on this particular website. You can see right here, you are going to be answering questions based on what you want. So make money doing what you love. You can see work from anywhere, anytime online. So you are going to be working online wherever you are in the world. You can be using this website to make money. You can see work as much as you want. There's no limit to the amount of questions that you can answer. Whatever that you are capable of, you are going to answer those questions so that you can be earning money on this particular website. So make sure you apply on this website so that you can be making money from home wherever you are in the world. If you have any question about the website, you are going to come right here. You can see frequently asked questions. Once you come right here, you can get an answer to your question. So make sure you come right here, frequently asked questions, so that you can read more about the website. You can see how will you get to know whether you have been approved. You can see right here, we will contact you by email. So once you apply, you have to keep on checking your email inbox so that you can get to know whether you have been approved or not. Apart from that, you are going to be paid via PayPal. You can see direct deposit, and you can see right here Venmo. So that is for only US. You can use the two other methods of payment to receive your money anytime you earn on this website. So it's just simple as that. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.